Welcome back, guys. This is the Ford aficionado. If there's a Ford in need, I'm the man indeed. I will find them, I'll fix them, I'll love them, and I'll most certainly grab the shit out of them. As you can see, got brand new taillights going the Jeep Commander. And so they're dark red smoked almost. As you can see, I've already got one of them replaced. They look pretty damn good. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the other one. As you can see, there's a big difference. Dark against the OEM. They're still OEM style, but I think I paid like 80 bucks for them. But here we go. I'm gonna show you how to replace the passenger side tail light. So all you're really gonna need is a flathead screwdriver and maybe a pair of diagonal cutters or dikes. No, I'm sorry, long nose pliers. That's what you'll need, long nose. And all you're gonna need, there's two clips, little plastic rubber grommets, right here, one there and one there. Just want to remove both of those. Let's see, I got one of them halfway out already. Gotta keep playing with them. Take a minute to come out, but just gently work them back and forth. And don't break them, because you may never. There we go. There's one. And again, just stick it in there and gently work it out. Gently, just again, it's plastic. It's, you know, what's 2025 now, so it's nah. Anyway, be very gentle. Just kind of gently get it in there and just work it around. Don't break anything. Because again, these are plastic clips. You break them, good luck finding more to replace them. It's been raining all daggone day. Can you see that? Let's see. There you go, guys. I'll try to move you in a little bit closer. Just work real gentle like and back you up some so I don't hit you with this. My hand don't hit it and knock you over. Just gently work it out. Where's my? There they are, right there. Try to gently grab them without causing damage. Gently grab them and kind of twist them. Don't pull out, but try not to break the doggone thing. They're so brittle. Can be. Just once you get a little gap, and it's not too hard to just get in there with a screwdriver and just slowly just ease it on out. If you break the lens, if you're gonna be replacing them anyway, so it don't matter. But be careful. Take your time. And there you go. There you go, you little jackass. There you go. Now, gently work them back and forth. Take your pliers and just grab them and gently pull out. I amuse myself sometimes. Alright. Just gently work them. You don't want to break anything. This plastic being kind of sharp hurts my hands. There we go. Now you should come. There you go. Alright, there's number two. What did I do with the first one? There it is. Alright, and now all you really want to do is just get in there and just start pulling. Pull, pull, pull. That'll eventually work their way out. And if you need to, take your knife or your screwdriver and just gently put it behind the tail light. Like so. Hang on. Put it right here, ever so gently. And just there you go. Now she's out. Now she's out. Didn't damage the paint. Paint's fine because I didn't use a sharp edge. I used a smooth edge. All right, now we go. and you're going to find you have 4 light bulbs here. I didn't know this because this is my first time doing on one of these, but you got your reverse bulb, you got your brake light and turn signal, you've got your parking light, and you've got another little teeny bulb down here. And what I want to do is, after I get them replaced, after I get the housing replaced, hang on, you just want to come in here and pull, twist, pull it out, twist, pull it out, twist, and pull it out. Now with this one, this is always a booger. But pull it, twist it, and just gently work. And if you look real close, these wires have a lot of tension on them. They're really tight, so you just want to be very careful. Alright, I'll lay those right there. And you've got a little Christmas tree right here. You just want to grab with the pliers. You want to grab with your pliers ever so gently. Right there. And just gently squeeze and push down. It'll release that tank. My pliers will cooperate. Get in there. Let's see. Pull it out. Come on, baby. Come on now. Almost there. Now, Jesus, just do what I need you to do. Slide your way out. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Hold on. Alright guys, and the passenger side's out. So, as I said, got 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs. And it's just reverse process. Remove all your little covers. Three and 4. Throw them over here. And just go in, put your little Christmas tree back through, and lock it in, like so. And then, see if I can get you a good angle. Trying to get y'all the best angles I can. And just put them all back in. This one, like I said, is going to be a doozy. I wanted to buy all new bulbs, but I just ain't had the time. I'll have to take this thing all the way apart and do it all over again when I buy new bulbs. But this one's always a doozy, getting it lined up exactly right. Because the hole's got to go a certain way. You can't just stick it in willy-nilly. Put the long side and the short side. I don't know what the hell the damn holes line up. If they cooperate. There we go. Now, are you going to twist like you're supposed to, or are you going to give me trouble? The other side, I couldn't get locked in. I had to leave it hanging. Alright, it won't lock. I can get the lock, but no big deal. Okay. Let's see. You come back in here. Just like, oh yeah, now come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Not fighting on this. There you go. Now, and it just bring these back over. Just line it up. Get it in there. And locked in. Next comes your brake light. Now somebody's already been in here before I owned it and replaced these turn signal and brake light bulbs with clear LEDs. Alright, go in there and should just twist up. I don't know why I don't want to cooperate. But there it is. Alright, I got one. And your reverse bulb. Slide it in, turn it, slide it in. There it is. Locked in, locked in, locked in. That one didn't lock in, but I'm not worried about it because it's too much of a pain to deal with, and I don't want to damage the wiring. And now, guys, the installation process is just the same as the other side. You just got to line up your old cogs and just make sure everything seats. Put this back down in there, out of the way. Get your little ends lined up. Push them in all the way. Hang on. Gotta get that in there, and then get that. These are so doggone fun to line up. Trying to get them just right. Now, there's that one. There's that one. Popped in. Lined up. Hubs in. Alright. That one's in. All you're going to do now is take both your little plastic clips and put them back in the hole. And they'll just pop right in. Line right back up. Pop right in. There's one. And there's two. There we go. They're in now. Now let's test them. Alright, guys, now we'll test them. See what happens. As you can see, they're all working perfectly fine. And there you have it, guys. Brand new taillights on the Commander. I actually had a little issue on this one right here when I put that tiny bulb in that goes down here. The wire popped out. I tried to stick it back in, but other than that, I think they turned out fantastic. They look really good. I like that dark look. And I'm trying to decide, should I replace the third brake light with a darker one? I think I'm going to, so they'll match. You know, you can tell and you can't tell. It's hard to say. If you pay close enough attention, you can tell. But I really like this dark look. They look so good. And I think I spent maybe, I want to say $80 for the taillights. And I think it cost me like maybe 90 bucks in total for shipping and taxes and handling, all that. Actually, no, shipping was free. Taxes, it was like $10 or something in taxes. I ended up spending like $90 or something. But free shipping, smoke dark red. I really like them. They look really good. So let me go back, and I want to see, hit the brake lights. So when I edit this video, I'll see. But yeah. So thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's a new year. Got a lot of new things coming, hopefully. But y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Ford Aficionado out. Happy New Year.